signals for a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon each Wednesday. This radio station, WNG 735, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Carroll, Coshocton, Camden, Harrison, Holmes, Stark, Tuscarawas, and Wayne. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
This variability, normally more
noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Highland, and Warren. In Kentucky: Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Mason, Owen,